Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna take a dump, my nigga. I'm a normal summon batting here. Oh, I'm gonna take a dump. I'm gonna dump a battling boxes from my deck to the graveyard, my man. I'm gonna dump. Where you at? Where this counter punch to the gravy? Yeah. I'll settle. Wait, your turn. See this cup?
What's that thing doing?
Basically, when a battling boxer attacks or whenever you attack me, I can remove it during the damage and gain 1,000 like Kaluki. But I can banish your hand on graveyard. What? Come on, spell books. Come on, spell books. Oh, Kaiku! What are you doing with that? I know. Okay. Congratulations. Phoenix chain that nigga. Screw that. No! Fuck, I'll remove it doing damage. Fuck, you ain't gonna banish it. Fuck, I'll pump on. So, alright, so we go to 2,000. How much your boy at? 28?
No, 38.
38? You played 2?
I copied them.
God. Okay, that just sits on the field for no reason. Hold on, so he's unaffected. Oh, okay. So during your turn, he gonna you can't. Okay, cool. No. Once per battle, he's attack mode. He don't die by battle. Once per turn. I know. Congratulations. You get anything you want from your deck. I love that, man. That's a sexy ass secret for it. It makes me masturbate. Congratulations, you get anything you want from your deck. I love that deck, man. It's so expensive, man. Oh, spell expensive. HPTT. My God, I'll do it all. Yeah. You let that beat stick, don't you? Having no storm with the come with it. Okay. What did that do? Don't do that! Man, don't! Hulk! Where'd he go? Hulk don't know where he go! Alright. Normal, it's 2,000 idiot. Oh yeah, you can. Oh my bad. You're right. You gotta search through your deck. Your deck is expensive. My deck's not.
He's just so serious.
You get anything you want from your deck. I love that deck, man. I'm surprised I beat somebody with this deck with that deck. That nigga shut me down the whole time. And he prohibited me. And he prohibited Lee Joe. And I couldn't bring that nigga out there 2 games in a row. I was like, fuck. I know, you know that thing, don't you?
I'm cheap people, nigga. Come on, man.
Don't flip him down. I'll cut that for you. Here we go. Alright, now normal summon is 2,000 BC. You love Kaiku, don't you? Hold on. Does he get anything? Attack that one. You take 200. That's gone. I'll set this stupid back row and go ahead. Your turn. Come on, you can do anything you want. As soon as you attack me, it blows up like an idiot. Come on. Go ahead. Your turn.
What's your life?
L. Alright. Hold on. So, your boy, he was at 2, so I took 18. So I'm at 62, and you took 200. So you have 78. Go ahead, your turn.
No, we gotta get the field too. Get the field name. Yes, Peter Parker, get the field, yes.
Don't do that! Don't do that, my nigga. Don't do that.
Yes, Kaiku, the insurance salesman, go.
Yes, then go directly. Don't banish on my neck. Don't banish. No. Wait. Congratulations, my leg is wide open. You got directly in me. I mean, yeah, good job. Oh, do all of it. All right, we gotta get rid of that, man. He's just gonna keep fucking me up, my name. You know what? You don't got the heart. I'll set this defense mode like in the anime, and then go ahead. Come on, use that expensive deck. That big beefy expensive deck. Just swing.
Let's get a back move and play.
Don't do it. You don't need to do that. Go ahead. Congrats. I know that card. I know. You ain't gonna use it.